In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana off of their album Nevermind. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, gentlemen? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and I teach aspiring guitar players like you how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Today, we have a grunge classic, Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. Comment down below if this is your favorite grunge song. And let's dive in. All right, these are four of the most recognizable chords in rock history. We're gonna start with a power chord on the F. It's 1st fret, 6th string, 3rd fret, 5th string, 3rd fret, 4th string. Okay, just a basic power chord shape. Then we're gonna go over to the 5th string, 1st fret. Okay, that's a B flat power chord. Up to the 4th fret of the 6th. That's a G sharp power chord. And then over to the 4th fret of the 5th, which is a C sharp power chord. And the right hand rhythm is going to sound like this, slow. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. So that first down, up, down, you're pressing the strings down. The next four, down, up, are with the strings muted. So you're just resting your fingers on the strings there to get the muted sound. And then you're shifting over to the 5th string to hit the two downs. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. And then we do the exact same pattern on the 4th fret. And repeat. Okay, at this point, we're going to kick in some distortion and play the exact same riff. A little faster. And then we're into the verse. The verse is going to start 5th fret, 3rd string, and then 6th fret, 2nd string. And you notice we're back to the clean sound. And there's a lot of reverb and chorus kind of effects on the guitar in this part. Okay, and while the guitar is doing that, the bass will be playing this part. Which is basically just the root notes of what we've been playing. Okay, but in this section, the guitar is just playing this. And then there'll be a part in the verse where the song starts to build toward the chorus. And then at that point, what we'll be doing is playing this. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then we're into the chorus. Chorus riff is pretty much identical to the intro. Keeps going like this, 6 times through. And then at this point we get a little bit of a breakdown, before we go into the next verse, this part's gonna sound like this. So what that is, we start on that F power chord, that twice, lift up the index finger so we have an open 6th string, and then put it back down and strum again. And then we slide up to the 2nd fret, hit that twice. And then at this point we have a bend on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, just a half step bend. And then repeat. From here we go up to the 6th fret, hit that 3 times, and then the 4th fret 3 times, and then repeat. And then we're back into the verse. The rest of the song is just going to repeat what we've already played, with the exception of the solo. I'll show you how to play that now. It's going to start on the 5th fret of the 3rd string, then to the 8th fret of the 3rd, jump to the 10th of the 3rd. I reach with my ring finger here. You can play with your pinky. I think it's easier with the ring finger. Then you're going to slide down and then switch to the 4th string, 6th fret. Then you'll go back to the 8th fret of the 3rd, full bend, down to the 6th fret of the 3rd, and then to the 5th. So far we have this. At this point, I think it's important to point out that the solo is just mimicking the vocal line of what Kurt Cobain is singing in the verse. So use that as your reference point. Okay, again, we have this so far. From here we go to 6, back to 5, down to 8 of the 4th string, then 6 of the 4th string, back to 8, full bend, back to 6, and then 5. So that part sounds like this. All together so far. Then we'll repeat exactly the same thing. And then the solo is going to end with this repeating part. So that's 6th fret of the 4th, then 5th fret of the 4th, repeating. And then this line is 6, pull off to 5, and then pluck 5, slide down to 3. And my recommendation for everybody is to pile as much gain and distortion on those parts as you can, because this song is loaded with it. Was Nevermind the best rock album of the 90s? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.